In this video, I'm going to explain what the WPS button on your Spectrum router does and how to use it to connect devices easily. WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It allows you to connect compatible devices to your Wi-Fi network without typing in the password. On most Spectrum routers, the WPS button is located on the back or side of the device. It's usually labeled WPS or has two curved arrows forming a circle. To use WPS, first make sure the device you want to connect supports WPS. On that device, open the Wi-Fi settings and start the WPS connection process. This is often called WPS push button or similar. Next, press and hold the WPS button on your Spectrum router for about 2 seconds. The WPS light will start blinking, indicating the router is ready to pair. Within 2 minutes, your device should connect automatically to your Wi-Fi network. If it doesn't connect, move the device closer to the router and try again. Keep in mind that WPS has some security risks, as hackers nearby can exploit it. Use it only when necessary, and disable WPS through your router's admin settings when you're done. You can access these settings by logging into your router's web interface via its IP address. If the connection fails repeatedly, restart both your router and the device. Also, check for firmware updates on your device to ensure compatibility. Using the WPS button is a fast way to add devices to your network, but always balance convenience with security. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.